So hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about a question I get asked a lot, and it's about manual campaigns. And the question is, what do you do for a campaign that has no impressions or a campaign that doesn't show any impressions? So in my opinion, number one, you should make sure that the keywords that you are targeting in the campaign have enough value. Now, once you're certain that they do have value, then number two is you gotta check the indexing of those keywords. You gotta make sure that they index. If they don't index, it doesn't matter what you do with the ads, they're never gonna show up. And then number three, if one and two are taken care of, then number three is simply raising your bid. Now, once you do all that and you still don't get any impressions, then I would look at your listing and make sure that you are relevant to whatever you are trying to show your ads for. Make sure that it has enough search value. Number two, make sure that you're indexed for those keywords, that you're relevant. So that is it, guys. If you have a comment or you have a question that you want me to answer, feel free to leave them below and I'll get back.